Hello everyone, and welcome to this audio podcast synopsis. On this and this sort of intermission, uh, um, uh, uh, um, in this intermission, that is the Blittztorm intermission. This is another Storm Robotics production, and this is the Shientist. And here, what I'm going to do is provide an overview, sort of a brief, really, in regards to a pediatrics or young people's specific condition or health condition, um, and there will be another audio podcast synopsis surrounding another area of focus surrounding neurology and genetics, in a particular condition that surrounds sort of the adult population. But here I thought I'd provide a brief surrounding a particular pediatrics and young people's condition, something that is referred to as Crouzon syndrome, or Crouzon syndrome. And Crouzon syndrome was first described in 1912. Crouzon's is generally a sort of a genetic sort of predisposition characterized by premature joining of certain bones of the skull, which is referred to as craniosynostosis, and during development, which affects the shape of the head and face. Many features of Crouzon syndrome result from early fusion of the skull during development. An abnormal growth of these bones leads to wide-set, bulging eyes and vision problems caused by shallow eye sockets. So, for example, where eyes that do not point in the same direction, which is referred to as strabismus, and where there can be there's evidence of a beaked nose, and undeveloped mandible or jaw. And cases with Crouzons syndrome may have dental problems and hearing loss, which is sometimes accompanied by narrow ear canals. And cases also with Crouzon syndrome have an opening in the lip and the roof of the mouth, which is also referred to as the cleft lip and palate. And so again, I thought I'd provide this sort of audio podcast synopsis surrounding Crouzon syndrome. The next audio podcast synopsis will surround Huntington's disease, and once again on both of these there will be sort of full overviews as well. Thank you for taking the time to listen in on this Storm Robotics production. Thank you.